Hi guys, welcome back with me, Chow Chow 2025. Since many asked me, so we're going to start from the beginning about how to install Python. Okay, to install Python, you just simply go to Python.org and then select download. And you could download the latest one if you want, but since I currently using 3.10.6, so I'm going to use that instead. Okay, I think currently I use this, so I'm going to download Python 3.10.6. You could select the installer. I'm going to use Windows Installer 64. Okay, then let's save it here. Okay, we're going to access this. Double click it. You could install it somewhere you want, but I'm going to use this. And make sure you add it to the path so we can call it anywhere. Okay, so that was successful, and that's how you install Python. To know, like Python, you have just like Python here and version 3.10.6. That's how to install Python. Very simple. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment, and see you again in the next episode. Have a nice day.